Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to write a small code in Python. I am going to use Python idle to write the code. Python idle is a user-friendly tool to test the Python programs. So this tool will provide you a Python shell where you can test these small codes like small calculations, and if you want to print something on the terminal you should use the print function. So to write a code, let's get back to a file, and I already have a file, so let's get into that same file. Okay, so today we are going to write a program where we are going to input a number from the user and we have to check against a randomly generated number. So to do this, let's get the user input. To get the input, we should use the input function. Enter your guess, and then we have to generate a random number. To generate a random number, we have to use a module called random. In Python, module is a collection of classes and functions which are written for a certain functionality, which we can cover in the upcoming videos. Let's generate a random number. Random dot randint 1, 100. Here I have used the randint function because I want the random number in integer data type. Integer data type is something which is numerical without any fractional or decimal part, and I want that range to be in 1 to 100. So here, if the user input is something like 20 and the random number is 30, we have to say that user has given a number very low. So in Python, the command for giving the commands we have to use the hashtag, and if it is a multi-line command we have to use the triple quotes. So let's check. User number is equal to random. We have to say you guessed correctly. If user number is less than random number, we have to say you guessed low. If user number is greater than random number, we have to say you guessed high. Let's try to run this code. I'm giving 34. So this is an expected error because we have to convert this user input into an integer. So usually this will be returned as a string, a group of characters. So we have to convert it into integer to compare with the random number. Now let's try now. You guessed low. So this has ended very quickly without allowing us to guess more numbers. So to do that, let's put inside a loop. While random number not equal to user number, I'll place this code inside the loop, and let's get the number inside the loop. So initially let's keep it as none because initially we should not want to assign any value. So looping in program is something which we are allowing certain code to run repeatedly until a condition turns false. So here, until the condition random number not equal to user number turns false, this code keeps running. Now let's try to run. Let's give 56. It's saying it's high, so let's give 45. Okay, high again, 30. Let it be 25. Oh, okay, 20, 10. You guessed too low, so let it be 15. Yeah, we have guessed correctly. So we have written a program on guessing a number. So today we have learned about the modules, looping and if conditions. So let's see more topics in the upcoming videos. Please do share and subscribe. Thank you.